When we talk about shelter, a lot of people think of a tent or a tarp. But shelter is also the clothes that you wear and the small kinds of shelter that you can carry on yourself or in a small survival kit. We want to dress for success. We want to dress to survive. And that means if you're starting out someplace that's warm and you're going someplace that's warm, but you're crossing over mountains where it could get really cold at night, maybe you should dress for the place you're crossing over and not where you start and end your journey. So think about what you wear, and that's the beginning of shelter. I'm sure almost everyone has seen these Mylar survival blankets. They've been around, well, basically since NASA invented the whole concept. Okay? And in their day, they were great. And at the end of a marathon, they're great to wrap people up. But I want to tell you, these are not the answer in the wilderness. And there are a couple really good reasons. One of which you can hear. Imagine trying to sleep with that kind of noise, okay? But more importantly, look what happens when I poke a hole in it, which will happen, and then pull. These will not survive in the wilderness. They will shred. Don't carry a Mylar survival blanket and expect to survive with it. There is one company called Adventure Medical Kits in their SOL line that makes brightly colored on one side, reflective on the other, survival blankets made of polyethylene. As you can see, it's really hard to poke a hole in. And even if you do, it doesn't come apart. You can tear it, but you can't stretch it apart. This is the kind of survival blanket you want to carry with you. It's polyethylene. The only one that makes them is Adventure Medical Kits. They make them as a blanket. I suggest the XL version because very few of us are standard sized. And they make it as a bivy sack, a little sack that you can crawl into. I don't get paid to promote their products, they just work. Or how about a trash bag? Get a brightly colored trash bag. And that can serve as shelter. Poke a couple holes in it, put your head in it, it's a poncho. Lay it out on the ground, and it's a signal.